Maybe you're like my husband and you love to eat cookie dough straight out of the bowl, but you don't want to have to worry about raw eggs or flour. I've got you covered with this easy edible cookie dough recipe. Hey there, I'm Molly Thompson from What Molly Made. Welcome back to my kitchen where we make good food that makes you feel good too. Today we are making an edible cookie dough recipe. Sometimes you want an easy sweet treat and this edible cookie dough hits the spot every single time. Plus, like always, I'm sharing an option to make it gluten-free and dairy-free. Start by heat treating the flour. Place 2 cups of all-purpose flour or 1-to-1 gluten-free flour in a microwave-safe bowl. Microwave on high for 50 to 60 seconds until the internal temp reaches 166 degrees Fahrenheit. This protects you from any bacteria that could be in your flour. Next, grab your stand mixer and cream together 1 cup of packed brown sugar, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, and 1 cup of unsalted butter softened to room temperature. You'll know it's soft enough when it's still somewhat firm, but leaves a small indent when you push into it with your finger. You can also use a quality vegan butter. Beat the butter and sugar on high for 2 to 3 minutes until it's light and fluffy. Add 1 teaspoon of kosher salt and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and beat again until combined, about 1 minute. Turn the mixer down to low speed and gradually add the heat-treated flour. Increase the speed until it's fully combined. Next, with the mixer still on, add 1 tablespoon of milk or almond milk and continue to beat on medium-low until it starts to form a dough. Continue to add the milk a tablespoon at a time until it reaches your desired consistency. Finish with 1 cup of mini chocolate chips and beat until they're fully dispersed throughout the dough. Not only can you eat this edible cookie dough out of the bowl with a spoon, but you can also turn it into a dip for parties with graham crackers or sliced apples. We also love to roll them into balls and freeze them for edible cookie dough bites or add them to our favorite no-churn edible cookie dough ice cream. Now you can eat cookie dough straight out of the bowl without a care in the world. Plus it only takes a few minutes to make. Thank you so much for joining me in the kitchen today. If you want to try another recipe, check out our famous chocolate chip pudding cookies.